What's really good, mountain biking people? I'm Sean, and I'm back here again at McAllister Park. We are here at another dig day. Excuse my stuttering. Look at all the volunteers we have showing up today, and all the work that we're getting done. This place is really looking cool. I think maybe 1 or 2 more dig days, and we'll have it finished and ready for a jam party. Return trail has one last jump going on it. The last time I was out here, I saw tire tracks on this hip landing, so I know somebody was hitting it.
Right on.
Just nobody commenting on it, so we'll see.
We'll see.
These other 2 are perfect, though.
Nice.
Tabletop and 2 double rollers are maintaining their shape. And here we have another tabletop and a single roller being built right now.
Build that up there.
we are at McAllister Park, and another dig day is beginning. Good morning. We have one-wheelers helping us out. We've got some final tabletops to shape up, and we're gonna build a berm. So let's get this done. And there we have a conclusion of another dig day here at McAllister Park. So let's do a progress report, shall we? The return trail, we got it cleaned off of all the gravel and debris that was making it slippery and slick. And we armored some of those roots with some rock. So it's a little bit easier to climb up now. And we put one more last jump here at the end of the return trail. There's a big root coming out laterally from the side of this tree, so we boxed it in with some rock and put a big, right now, huck to flat. But we might come back and build a lander on a later date. So let's take a look at the rest of what's going on here. People are really enjoying that berm a lot. Everybody says it's a lot of fun. So yeah, come try it out. The landing for the hip jump has been carved back a little bit, making this a little bit of a smoother transition. So anybody who likes hip jumps, there you go. The 20-footers running smooth. These two tabletops afterwards were a little short. Everybody was overshooting them, so we made them a little longer. And this one, we may have to make this one a little longer too. Same thing with the rollers. They're meant to carry speed, so we'll shape those up with a couple other dig days in March. Main point of progress today, the final berm with a 33-foot radius. It will come all the way around and take you back around to the return trail that way. This pile of dirt right behind the berm is going to be a shark fin. So those of you going on the inside line can take the berm, or you can go on the outside line behind the berm. And this dirt is really dry, so I can't shape it up today. And I don't have a water source. So we're gonna have to wait for some rain to come back here and turn it into a jump. But yeah, there's your shark fin. Should pop you up and land you right around somewhere in there. If you would like to volunteer, we provide breakfast tacos. We keep you well fed, granola bars, all kinds of other stuff, water, Gatorade. What else? Anybody putting in an hour of work on this project gets free raffle ticket for the helmet giveaway we're doing April 2nd at the Hill Country Challenge in Flat Rock Ranch. So, everybody else, if you can find me, get at me, come to one of these trail builds, or if you're going to the Hill Country Challenge at Flat Rock Ranch the first weekend of April, Alamo Cycle Plex, a sponsor of Mountain Biking San Antonio, has graciously hooked us up with a new specialized ambush helmet. It's large in black, and it has the 911 emergency beacon, so it'll send messages to people if you crash. You just have to set it up. It's pretty nice, pretty high tech. So fun raffle prize, $5 a ticket, or 1 per hour of coming out here and helping us work on this project. Send it! All right, as always, y'all enjoy your ride. Peace. Make sure that you also hit me up to pick yourself up one of these awesome t-shirts. They're lightweight cotton, antimicrobial, quick wicking, and really comfortable to ride in. $30 if you catch me in person, or $40 for shipping and handling if I have to mail it to you. So yeah, enjoy your ride, people. Come hang out with us and dig.